Ready to take your Galaxy S26 Ultra outdoors? From rugged cases to power-packed accessories, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the 7 best accessories that will keep your phone protected and fully charged, no matter where your adventures take you. Stick around and check the links in the description. The number 7 product on our list is Dexnor Heavy Duty Rugged Case. Planning your next outdoor adventure? The Dexnor Heavy Duty Rugged Case is built for the explorer in you. With military-grade drop protection, it shields your Galaxy S26 Ultra from shocks and impacts, making it the perfect companion for active lifestyles. The camera cover offers quick, secure protection from dust and scratches, while the durable kickstand gives you hands-free comfort for impromptu movie nights or video calls wherever you are. Need options? Choose between a built-in screen protector or a bare screen look with an extra frame. Whether you're conquering city streets or wilderness trails, this case ensures your phone is protected and ready for anything. At number 6 is Hoerrye Camera Lens Protector. Imagine capturing flawless moments without worrying about damaging your lens. The Hoerrye Camera Lens Protector for the Galaxy S26 Ultra is a game changer. With military-grade 9H plus tempered glass, it offers unbeatable protection from drops up to 12 feet, keeping your lens safe from scratches and cracks. The innovative 3D precision cut ensures it fits seamlessly, preserving your phone's sleek design while providing clear, lossless imaging with advanced AR and anti-glare technology. Its hydrophobic coating resists fingerprints, while the non-peeling, case-friendly design guarantees long-lasting protection. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or just out and about, this protector keeps your lens ready for every adventure without compromising quality. At number 5 is INIU Power Bank. Imagine never running out of battery while on the go. The INIU Power Bank keeps your devices charged and ready for any adventure. With 22.5 watts fast charging, it fuels your phone to 60% in just 30 minutes, nearly twice as fast as typical chargers. Despite its power, this 10,000 mAh bank is compact, 38% lighter, and 23% smaller than other options, easily slipping into any pocket without the bulk. What sets it apart is the built-in phone holder, making video calls or binge-watching a breeze while charging. Plus, it can charge 3 devices at once, perfect for those on the move. A must-have for busy days. At number 4 is Cozycase Waterproof Case. Heading out on an adventure or braving the elements, this waterproof case is your phone's best defense. Designed for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, it's IP68 rated to withstand 6.6 feet underwater, making it perfect for everything from swimming to hiking in the rain. Its shock-proof, dust-proof, and scratch-resistant build ensures your phone is protected in any environment. The HD lens cover keeps your camera safe, while the sleek design maintains responsiveness even under the toughest conditions. Whether you're navigating outdoor challenges or simply enjoying a day by the water, this case keeps your device secure and ready for action without the bulk. The third one on our list is GNMN Active Noise Canceling Ear Buds. Imagine blocking out the world's noise, leaving only the pure sound of your favorite tracks. The GNMN Active Noise Canceling earbuds offer an impressive 30 decibels of noise reduction, letting you escape distractions during travel or workouts. Whether you're running, biking, or in yoga class, these earbuds stay secure with their ergonomic design and soft ear hooks. With a 96-hour battery life, the included charging case ensures your music never stops. You can even switch to transparent mode to stay aware of your surroundings, making them safe for outdoor use. Clear audio, fast pairing, and waterproof features make these earbuds the ultimate companion for an active lifestyle. On number 2 is Norllben MagSafe Wallet. Tired of juggling your phone and wallet during your outdoor adventures? This MagSafe compatible wallet is a game changer, offering a secure, non-magnetic attachment that keeps your essentials safe while you're on the move. With a sleek design, it holds up to 3 cards, and the thumb slot ensures quick access. No more bulky wallets or fumbling for your ID or credit card. Crafted from premium synthetic leather, this wallet combines durability with comfort. The added bonus of RFID blocking gives you peace of mind, preventing unauthorized scans. Whether you're hiking or heading to the office, this minimalist wallet has you covered, seamlessly complementing your active lifestyle. Now, moving to the last one is Pelican Heavy Duty Case. When adventure calls, your phone deserves protection that won't quit. The Pelican heavy-duty case for Galaxy S26 Ultra is built for those who push their limits. With military-grade 16-foot drop protection, shock-absorbing corners, and anti-scratch coating, it defends your phone from the harshest conditions. The non-slip grip and snug fit make sure it stays securely in your hand during every outdoor challenge. Its eco-friendly design, crafted from recycled materials, offers both sustainability and durability. Plus, with wireless charging compatibility and magnetic alignment, you won't have to compromise on convenience. Whether you're exploring or working hard, this case is your phone's ultimate shield. Among all the winners, the INIU Power Bank stands out. With fast charging and 96 hours of playback, it's perfect for uninterrupted outdoor adventures. So guys, this was the video about the 7 best Galaxy S26 Ultra accessories for outdoor use. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.